Hello developers. In this video we will discuss about shallow copy and deep copy. So coming to shallow copy, actually both these two copies refers to how objects are duplicated. Okay, so coming to shallow copy, it copies the main object but shares the inner objects. That is, only copies the top level properties of object. And its use case is we can use shallow copy when we need a simple duplicate, and we are okay if changes to inner object affect both the copies. We will discuss it with an example. Let's create an object. I'll say name. Okay. Here details. This is the nested object. Age we can say 11. Okay. Now we have shallow copy. Shallow copy. Now we will make a shallow copy of this original object. Okay. So how to make shallow copy? Using this dot syntax. Dot original object. Okay. So now this object is copied to shallow copy object. Okay. So we have copied the object, but we have done the shallow copy. Okay. Now what we will do is shallow copy dot name. We will update the property. Now we are changing name to say Bob. Okay. Shallow copy dot details dot age. We are changing the age also. It will be 22. Now we will print the original object, and also we will print the shallow copy object. Okay. So what will be the output? Let's go to the terminal. So the output will be original will contain age as 22. Earlier the age was 11. Now we are getting age as 22. Okay. So shallow copy name as Bob, it is getting updated, and age is 22. But have you noticed this shallow copy age is affecting the image of original object? This is because we have used shallow copy. Okay. So it copies the main object. This object is copied, but it shares the inner objects. This one. So it is affecting the inner object properties. It only copies the top level properties. Only copying the top level properties. This only name RAM, and is affecting the inner properties like age. So this is the concept of shallow copy. Now we will move to deep copy. So let's take this same example. In the deep copy. So what deep copy is? It copies the main object copies and all the inner properties, creating a let's say in this example. So in case of deep copy, what we will do is we will create it using json.parse and json.stringify methods. So that are the common methods to create a deep copy for the simple objects. So let's create a deep copy. So it is created using json.parse and json.stringify. json.parse json.stringify of original object. Okay. So here we are updating the properties values. Deep copy dot details is 22. Hit detail copy. Now we will check the output. So here the output is both have different objects. Okay, so it is updating the property of one object is not affecting the properties of another object. Okay, so it copies the main object and all the inner object, creating a fully independent duplicate. That's why we are getting the different outputs. This updating the age is not affecting the original object. Okay, so in this example, deep copy is a completely separate object. So changes to deep copy.details.age do not affect the originals.details.age. So this is the example of deep copy in JavaScript.